Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with clean, slightly warm hands and a properly inflated balloon. Once inflated to the recommended 9/12-inch size, tie the neck so the surface is taut. This makes adhesion predictable. Now peel the sticker, backing slowly to avoid creases. Line the sticker up at the balloon's equator where curvature is gentlest and press the center first. You'll feel it take. Press outward in short strokes to remove air pockets and secure the edges for a smooth bond. Once the sticker is roughly in place, focus on smoothing and securing edges with controlled motions. You should press from the center toward the edge to push trapped air out. This prevents bubbles and keeps adhesive contact. Make sure not to stretch the sticker because distortion weakens the bond. If a small wrinkle appears, lift one corner carefully and reapply, aligning quickly to avoid creasing. For stubborn bubbles, use a fingertip or soft cloth to roll them out toward the nearest edge. To finish, inspect the sticker after 10-15 minutes to ensure full adhesion. This initial set time helps the glue bond under gentle tension. If an edge lifts, apply a very small amount of craft glue under the lift and press until set, making sure excess doesn't smear. If the balloon loses air, re-inflate slowly to the same size and re-smooth the sticker. Doing this prevents sudden stretching. One troubleshooting tip: if persistent bubbling occurs, replace the sticker or use a new balloon, as repeated rework weakens adhesion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.